Okay, homework 5-14. Write each statement as an inequality. 10 minus 7, 10 minus 7 is less than 5, less than 5. M is greater than or equal to, meaning that this has to be underlined, right? Greater than or equal to 25. Write each inequality in words. 8 is greater than 25 divided by 5. 9 plus 5 is less than J. Give 3 solutions to each inequality. Y is less than 11. So any number that you give that's less than 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.75, negative 8,000, whatever it is, as long as it's less than 11, it's good. P is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to 100. So you can even give 100 in this case because, again, it's less than or equal to with that underline. So then it's like 100, 101, 102, 4,763,000,000, right? Anything over 100. So we can talk about infinite ranges of numbers. Similarly here, we have 3 times C is greater than 18. So you need any number that will give you a result greater than 8 to give you a result greater than 18 times 3. So anything basically greater than or equal to 6. Because once you multiply by 6, once you multiply by 3 by 6, you get 18, and you're less than or you're greater than or equal to it. V plus 3 is greater than 6. So anything 4 or greater, right? Technically, anything 3.1 or greater will give you an answer greater than 6. Here we're graphing the solutions to an inequality, right? Because it's less than or equal to, we have to include the 2. So x is less than 2. So any of the numbers down here, less than or equal to. This is 6, just greater than 6, right? So we can't include 6, that's why the circle is open. So it's just all the numbers above 6. Customers who spend $25 or more get free shipping. Let D represent the amount spent by a customer who gets free shipping. Write an inequality to show the possible values of D. Okay, here we have D. And as long as it's $25 or more, so that's 25 equal to or greater than, right? So here's the 25, equal to or greater than D. So any number, D, equal to or greater than 25, gets free shipping. So then here we want to graph the inequality to show all the possible amounts a customer who gets free shipping might send, right? So that gives us a number line. They go in by 5s for efficiency's sake, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And again, because it's 25 or more, 25 including 25, you have to make that solid because 25 is a possibility, and then all the numbers above it on the group number line. Okay, here we are on remembering for 5-14. Julian needs 20 boards to build 8 bookcases. How many bookcases can he build if he's got 10 boards? He's got half of the boards he needs for 8, so he can build half of 8, which is 4. Jerry makes a candle shaped by the pyramid shown. I guess that's over here. He paints the outside surface of the candle with shimmering paint. How many square centimeters does he need to cover with paint? I think the assumption here is that for some reason he's also painting the bottom. So, once again, we have to go with that triangle method. It's 8 centimeters across and 16 centimeters in. So that's 8 times 6, right, divided by 2, and that's the bottom. And then we add to that, it's 8 centimeters across the bottom, 15 tall, so that's 8 times 15 divided by 2. Believe it or not, yes, that is a 15. And then we have to multiply that by the number of sides, which is a pentagon. So you multiply that by 5 and add them together, it's 420 centimeters. Okay, complete the equation. Complete the equation to model the problem. Use the equation to solve the problem. So, 5th grade field trip costs $25 per person, per being that magic number. What equation relates the total amount for the field trip, T, to the number of students going, S? How much is the field trip if 35 students go? So we've got T, and again, it's a straight up rate with nothing added, right? So, total number of students going, it's $25 per person, so we multiply that by S, right? We sub in, we evaluate that for 25 times 35 students, and our total would be $875. Jenna is having a sidewalk sale. She pays $12 for a permit. She collects $1.50 for every item she sells. What equation relates the total amount she makes at the sale, P, and the number of items she sells, I? How much would Jenna make if she sold 25 items? All right, so she sells everything for $1.50, right? And then you multiply that by the number of things that she sold, I, and then you subtract 12 because whatever her profit was, you have to take 12 away because she paid just $12 to set up for a permit. So if she has 25 sales, right, you would take 150 times 25, and then you would subtract 12. The answer is 2550. Okay. And that is the end of 5-14.